Cybersecurity attacks grow more sophisticated every day, targeting every layer of your digital infrastructure. Unisys helps organizations achieve a secure enterprise through security-managed services and by building digital trust through secure-by-design-based solutions across cloud, applications, data, and the workplace. Our integrated approach protects digital assets to promote operational continuity and security, from the data center to the edge. Secure by Design infrastructure integrates security leadership into AI and cloud evolution. Operational resilience strengthens your defense against disruption. True cyber resilience means you protect, detect, respond, and recover with confidence, from the workplace to the cloud and back. This means utilizing zero-trust methodologies for comprehensive exposure management, identity and access management, secure networking, proactive detection and response, cyber recovery, and post-quantum cryptography, all supported by strategic cybersecurity leadership. With Unisys, security becomes your foundation for innovation and competitive advantage. Build secure foundations, transform with confidence, manage for resiliency. Learn more at unisys.com/cyber.